Remember the Vintage Penncrest box fan here, which is a rebadged Lakewood? If you remember, this one has noisy bearings. On low and medium, I tilt it forward while running, it quiets down, but as soon as you put it back up, it starts rattling like a diesel engine. On high, it just rattles no matter what. None of the blades are loose, there's no play in the shaft, but everyone says it's probably the rear thrust washer. Now I don't know where you can get those unless you get them out of other broken fans. So before I'll try a different type of oil first, and if it doesn't work, I'll maybe just see about finding a furnace motor that's the right dimensions as this is 3 speeds, or if I can find a used fan motor off of eBay, I'll do a swap. It's a 1000 RPM motor. I don't know the brand, but it's a 1-phase, 115 volts, 3.4 amps. I think it's 600 watts, if that's correct. No, I don't think it can't be no 600 watts. Focus. I don't know what brand it is. Either way, so I have been using the blue can everyone says to use. You know, Jay uses that red can of 3-in-1 oil, and everyone says, no, use the blue can. Well, is this the blue can you all keep talking about? This is what I used to use on fans with no problem. But I do have zoomspout now. So I'll try it with the official oil. But first, let's start off on high, so you can hear this thing. Medium. Tilt it forwards, see it starts rattling. Now as you tilt it back, it gets louder. You see how it quiets down when it's forwards? Down that much on high. Let's take the grills off and I'll give it some zoom spout. Spin down time. It's windy, so it may not come to a complete stop. Yeah, it's not going to come to a stop. It's windy. Okay, I just stuck the hose down in there. Squirt the hell out of it. Saturate it until it starts leaking. Then I'll saturate it more. These things usually have like a wick in them. That's what absorbs the oil. Give it a spin by hand so it circulates. Just for good measure. Let it circulate a bit, spinning it. See if it quiets down at all. It probably won't be immediate. But from other Penncrest owners, they all have this issue. So it's a manufacturer's defect. Too bad Lakewood's not around no more. Well, they are, but they're in China. It's probably American Fan Manufacturing Company Limited or some shitty name like that they come up with now. Fan Motor Manufacturing Company Limited. Shame how fans have come today from this quality when it was brand new to the shit we got today. Can't even get a goddamn window air conditioner to last a freaking season. And that video accidentally got deleted and like went to waybackmachine.com, but they don't have it archived. So much for that. And I didn't back it up. Got deleted by accident, so. Alright, let me oil the front bearings. Nice, same as before. Just stuck the hose right down in there. Just squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. It's easier when these motors have this oil sleeves, or oil straws, whatever you want to call them. Just drown it in oil. It's not a leaky shed too, so I'm sure that didn't help with the bearings, but it's been noisy since I found it. This was a trash find several years ago at my last house. Happened to find it in the trash. So I've had it for probably 10 years at least. I've always owned it with WD-40, but you're not supposed to. But now I have zoomspout, proper oil. Though someone still bitch, you're supposed to use the 3-in-1 blue can that's made for electric motors. Oil's fucking oil. And I once used motor oil one time to oil some fucking fan bearings, alright? Kiss my ass. But you don't want to use WD-40, that's not oil. But I used motor oil one time when I out of oil. The oil of fan bearing. Do a spin by hand. Oh, it's dangerous. It could turn on any second and cut your hand off. Bite me. Could probably use to be a full degreasing, take it apart and like soak everything. It's gonna spin that way because of the wind. I bought like 4 of these bottles. Let's turn it on. a bit quieter. Still rattly, but not as much. Needs a good cleaning. It actually needs a damn overhaul. Good spin down time from low. Broken glass. Spin down from high. It's gonna be slower this time because the wind's picking up. Let's do a quick startup sound on low. I cleaned it off a little bit at 60 cycles, not 600 watts. Now CY for cycle, and that's what it is here in North America. 60 cycles. Over and abroad is 50 cycles, but here it's 60. So let's do a quick startup sound on low and wrap this video up. It's already an extra 81x length video, and that's too long. Spin down again from low. Spins down long enough. Just gotta do something about that washer. Alright, next fan. Thought I'd do a quick mention of how this back grill is held on. You got two springs down here. So to get this off, you would lift up. And I can't do it with one hand, that's how strong it is, but you lift this up and it'll pop off these clips. You put it back on, put it on these first, like this. It goes under it, like that. Then you would lift and it would slide under the clamps. The front is screwed on and it's missing 2 out of the 4 screws.